Hey there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to teach you how to install a header and tell you a little bit about what a header is on your blog. So just so you know, I'm on the
Dashboard, New Motor Club, Wordpress window.
page like I normally am when we start these videos. And let me tell you a little bit about what a header is, and then we're going to go in and set one up. A header is the image that is at the top of your site, and it's also found when someone shares your site on a site such as Google+, Twitter, Facebook, or LinkedIn. So some companies or organizations use a logo or something that makes them be remembered. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to use a picture Nicholas took of me. So we're going to go ahead and interact with this page, and then we're going to access our links list.
Links menu.
We're looking for the menu to expand it again.
To collapsed internal link menu.
And we'll go ahead and select and then press.
Collapsed link dashboard navigation main menu 3 items.
And now on this, we're going to need the appearance menu.
Links menu. 2 item visited menu pop-up link appearance.
And we'll select that and then we'll press it.
Visited press visited.
And now we're going to via right arrow tell you here header.
Visited link themes link customized link widgets link menus link header.
And we're going to go ahead and select that.
Press link header customize load visited link 90 add new image button.
And now it brought focus to add new image, so we'll select that.
Close media panel internal link choose image internal.
And then I'm going to press tab.
File upload button.
To the file upload button, and we're going to select that.
Press file upload button. Interact with.
And that brought up a standard interact dialog box. We're going to go ahead and find the image real quick.
Picture Nicholas took of me.
Perfect, so that's the one that I want, so I'm going to go ahead and select that.
Stop interactive. Choose default button. Checked checkbox.
And then we're going to press tab.
File upload button.
Press tab.
Leaving HTML content. Back button. Show the.
So I actually went too far. I pressed tab on the file upload button, and so we're going to actually press shift tab here.
Link.
And we're going to press shift tab again. And again.
Description edit
and
text.
Here's a description field that we're going to fill out.
All.
I'm going to just put this is an image Nicholas, my son, took of me. And then we'll press shift tab.
Alt text edit text.
Alt text, this is read and picked up by both screen readers and search engines. So an image of Michael Babcock Nicholas took from my phone. We'll press shift tab.
Space, caption edit text.
This is a caption. I'm not sure where this appears, but
select
what
all.
I'm going to do so we can see is I'm going to put this is an image of Mr. Babcock Nicholas took. And we'll press shift tab.
Picture Nicholas, misspelled, took, of me, selected.
So that's the title of it.
Select all. Picture Nicholas. Select all.
And I'm just going to leave it as picture Nicholas took of me. And then I went ahead and tabbed back over to the description edit box, and we're going to press option tab, and that'll take us to the checkbox.
Picture Nicholas took of me. Checked checkbox.
And if you press option tab one more time, using other screen readers, you should just have press tab, not option tab, but you'll get to
internal link. Select and crop.
And we'll go ahead and select that link.
Press internal link. Select and crop.
And this is a visual cropping utility. We're just going to go ahead and select crop image.
Press internal link. Crop image.
And then that automatically closed. When you hit the crop button, it automatically closed the media panel. Now, one caveat with this is obviously I myself cannot see the image itself. So I typically, I'm guilty of not doing this, but typically I'll get some sighted assistance. That may be something you'll want to consider. But after that media panel is dismissed, you need to go back up to the top of the page and hit the
Save and Publish button.
And we'll go ahead and select that.
Press Save and Publish button.
And the page will not reload, but you'll now hear it say
Saved, dimmed button.
So that lets you know that you saved it. Now let's go take a look at the blog.
Hello world.
Now, the only blog post we have on here is the
Hello World.
and visually, I believe that the image is showing up. So, unfortunately, VoiceOver does not identify this, and I have not tested it with JAWS. You can if you would like, and leave a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to visit empoweringtheblind.com and let's connect. Thanks for joining.